Hey friends, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2017 Toyota Corolla for you. Just pulling in for my test drive. Really a fun little car to drive. Plenty of pep, has the 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder engine, which gets up to 36 miles a gallon on the highway. Brakes felt good, no weird smells inside here. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and we'll check out the interior. So it does have a 7-inch touchscreen radio that doubles as the backup monitor, as you can tell as I'm backing up here. Really a nice colored screen. Can really see, and a lot of ease of backing up there. But that doubles as your radio. It's got a little weather app on here as well. AM, FM, and XM radio, it looks like, and as well as a CD player up top here. Down below here is your heating and air conditioning controls. I love that it has the auto feature, so you can set your temperature, hit auto, and it's automatically going to regulate how much heat comes out and where it comes out. Has a 12-volt power socket here, and then underneath here is going to be your USB and auxiliary plug for cell phones. Nice little slot down here. This isn't automatic. Does have ability to go into each individual gear as you get down in there. Couple beverage holders here. Does have the handbrake. And coming over here, does have the factory books, it looks like, and quite a few of them. It has the Corolla weatherproof mats. The seats themselves look good, cloth seats. Overall interior looks really clean for the age of the vehicle. I did pull up the history report, and this one I love when they're off the charts. This one's off the charts, so it says like Corolla should score between 82 and 89. This scores a 90, and that's due to it only having 2 previous owners and never been in a wreck or an accident there, it looks like. So overall clean history report. Coming here to the center center dash here, center console, no lights or anything on the dash. Has 34,007 miles, 007, check that out, miles on it, and no engine light or anything like that to be concerned about. Radio controls, and then also has hands-free connectivity, so you can talk through this car system on your cell phone. Does have remote controlled mirrors, those are for your side view mirrors, and then also power windows and locks. All right, let's check out the outside. Interior definitely is in great shape here. So coming outside of the vehicle is black in color. Front end looks good here. Windshield looks good. I don't see any cracks or anything in it. Does have alloy wheels, which sets this vehicle apart. And the tires have really good tread left on them. Take a look in the back seat here. Overall, pretty clean back here. Couple minor little stains in the seat there. Slush match back here as well. Coming along to the rear of the vehicle, it is the Corolla LE. Does have the defroster in the rear window, which is nice if you live in Ohio and keep your vehicle outside overnight. Help you defrost in the morning. Passenger side looks really good. I don't see any major dents or scratches on it. So overall, really clean vehicle. Be a great daily commuter, getting up to 36 miles a gallon, and you can't beat the reliability of the Toyota product as well. So financing is available. You can click on the link below, get pre-approved on this particular or any of our vehicles right from your phone or wherever you're at. So just click on that link to get started with that. Lock in historically low interest rates, so they'll only go up from here. Also, if you have a trade-in, like to get an offer on that, we can do that by filling out the form on the link below as well. So great price on this, great vehicle, be a great car. My name's Mike, I'm signing out.